Hi, this is Matt with ScanSource Security. Today's product highlight will cover the Panasonic WV-SW115 IP camera. The Panasonic WV-SW115 low-profile surface mount HD camera is both IP66 weather resistant and IK10 vandal resistant. The Panasonic WV-SW115 also offers a wide 104-degree view in a minimal profile package. The WV-SW115 offers Panasonic's Face Super Dynamic technology, which ensures clear facial images along with 720p resolution, as well as extended low light sensitivity. Let's look at some of the features of this camera. The camera is IK10 vandal resistant in spite of a compact and thin body, along with being IP66 weather resistant. It also contains a low distortion wide-angle lens. The camera has a good sensitivity under low light conditions. It is wall mountable for proper face detection. And finally, on the inside, it contains an SD card slot for recording. To learn more about the Panasonic WV-SW115 IP camera and other products from Panasonic, visit panasonic.com. ScanSource Security customers can also visit scansourcesecurity.com/snap for quick access to product info and other helpful design tools.